Hey guys, welcome to Franklin Woodworks. In this video, I'm going to build a creeper. Not the kind you want to keep your kids away from, but the kind you use to easily slide under your car or truck so that you can work on it. Here's my current creeper. It's nice and comfy, and it has a 300-pound weight rating. That's nice, because although I'm pretty large, I'm not anywhere near 300 pounds. But here's my creeper's casters. I'll assume they're rated at around 50 pounds each since there's 6 of them. But the casters just aren't holding up, and I think I figured out why. I read on the internet once that the average American man can bench press around 135 pounds. Well, if I'm trying to tighten or break loose a nut or bolt while I'm on the creeper, that 135 plus my weight is more than 300 pounds. Plus, I know how much I can bench press, so I would need a creeper with at least a 550-pound limit to be able to withstand the force I'm capable of putting on it. The rubber casters that came on my creeper just can't withstand that much weight, so I'll give it a try and see if I can build my own. The items I'll need for the build are 2 pieces of 2x6 and 4 pieces of 2x4, all cut to a length of 40 inches. I've also got 6 2-inch casters with a weight rating of 90 pounds each. That totals 540 pounds, a little under what I'm capable of, but then I'm getting older and don't plan on getting much stronger. I'll also need a nice piece of 3/4 inch plywood. I'll join a 2x4 to a 2x6, creating a symmetrical L shape. I'm using another 2x4 just to keep things stable while I glue and screw things together. Then I'll take that second 2x4 and glue and screw it to the 2x6, making sure to put glue on all the surfaces that we'll be touching. Then I do it again, so I'll have 2 of these sturdy rails. When the rails are complete, the profile should look like this. Once the glue is dry, I remove the screws that will be in the way of my table saw blade. After setting my blade at a 45-degree angle, I shave away a portion of the rail so that the creeper will be a little more comfortable when I lay on it. You'll see what I mean in a little while. Then I cut a piece of 3/4 inch plywood to size and use plenty of glue to attach it to the rails. The screws I'm using are really just clamps to ensure the glue joint is nice and tight. Next, I'll attach the casters, making sure that they have enough clearance on the sides to be able to rotate 360 degrees. Apparently, casters are labeled by the size of the wheel, not their overall height. But these 2-inch casters provide enough clearance to keep the side rails off the ground. Once all that's done, I'll flip the creeper over and use a hand plane to shave down the sharp edges. Now, 45 degrees may not be all that sharp, but smoothing the edges out will make this a lot more comfortable. I'll give it a paint job on the top side, not for looks, but just to give it some oil and grease resistance. And finally, I'll scavenge the old creeper and reuse the headrest. So that's the build. The whole thing cost about the same as my old creeper, around $40, and I've almost doubled the capacity. It's not as light as the store-bought creeper and is much larger, but light and small isn't important in this case. I needed something that could take some punishment. So if you like this idea, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Hope this gives you some good ideas for your shop. Thanks for watching, and there you go.